gives us some interesting ways. Since we have three pieces of data and we want to see how they interact with each other, there are a couple of different ways that we can do that to see three variables. And one of my favorite ways is through a 3D chart. And so now I've plotted ice cream sales, shark attacks, and high temperature. And I can see that relationship. Okay, so if you're looking at this, it is going diagonally. If you think of this as a cube, and I don't know how good you are at visualizing three dimensions, but it's going from that back corner of the cube on the bottom and the right-hand side. It's going to the left-hand side, up and forward to this front corner of the cube. So all three of those pieces of information are positively correlated. And so this is a three-dimensional scatter plot, which tells the whole story. Those three things are positively correlated. High temperature is at least one of the independent variables. Now, just because we're saying we think high temperature might be driving this, does that mean that you're not more attractive to sharks after you've had an ice cream cone? Not necessarily. We don't know. We don't have the data to say that that's not true, and we don't have the data to say that it is true. So we would have to isolate that more sufficiently. Now, we could study this with machine learning as well. But this story that this data says is that people go to the beach, these beach towns, and they're buying ice cream and getting out in that water when it's hot outside.